All right, guys, here we are continuing on with population histograms. So I really want you following along. I am on page 18 of your ecology workbook. Now I recommend that you pause the video and set up your histogram just like I have mine. So you'll notice first, a histogram is different than a regular graph in this case, or the population histogram is different. I had to divide my graph in half in order to have males and females on either side of middle. So my 0 on the x-axis, this is x, that's y. My 0 on the x-axis is actually in the middle of my graph. And then on either side of that, it starts increasing. So if I kind of look at the 0 on my x-axis, right to the right of that is 4 individuals, then 8, 12, 16, and it increases on the left as well in that same pattern. On the y-axis, I have age in years, and these are age ranges. I'll be plotting my data in horizontal bar graphs. Okay, I have males and females. I've created a legend on the bottom. Males are going to be blue, females are going to be red. So if we take a look here, what we're graphing here, I'm going to read the top here. It says the population of polar bears in an area near Churchill is studied. The bears that live in the area during the summer have all been tagged and carry radio transmitters. The following population data was obtained for this polar bear population. So we have polar bear age ranges from 0 to 13, and we have the breakdown of individuals for males and females. All right, so let's graph this and see what the shape we get is to see if we can predict what is going to happen to the population. Okay, so I'm going to start with males. Whoops. All right, so starting here in the 0 to 1 age range, I have 11 individuals. So I graph that there, and I'll color it in. Okay, between 2 to 3, I have 15. Notice how my scale goes up by 2 each time. And my bars are 3 wide just to fill space. You should always fill as much space as you can when graphing. Okay, 4 to 5 is 20 individuals, 20 males. Okay. 23 between 6 to 7. 16 between 8 and 9. 5 between 10 and 11. My bars might not be perfect, but hopefully yours are looking up better. And there's actually 0 males between 12 and 13. All right, flipping over to the female side. 14 individuals in the first age range. Whoops. Okay, 21. 26. 21. 14. 8. And 2. Okay, so this is our population histogram completed for our polar bears. So as we can see, we learned about 3 patterns: the triangle, the diamond, and the rectangle. I would say this shape is looking roughly like a diamond. So that should help you answer the questions. So I want you to actually continue this on your own now. Flip over to page 19. And I want you to do number 2, 3, and 4 on your own. But hopefully that gives you a start. All right, take care.